Now we will demonstrate the use of a XACML based interaction authorization module to block an example scenario of data leakage. Note that when we make a request to the travel agent, it sends credit card details to car rental, hotel, and airline. This is evident when you look at the interaction list. The travel agent to car rental, there's a credit card number. Similarly to hotel and airline. Now we will go ahead and enable client feedback trust module, and we will make a few requests. Initially, you can see the client feedback related trust value of each of these services is 1. Now we'll mount a DOS attack to get the trust value to go down a little bit, and if we increase the DOS attack, you can see that the trust values with respect to client feedback drops. Now if you go to the scenario statistics, we can see the drop in the trust value for each of these services. Now we go back to our interaction authorization and we enable this block credit card details policy. This policy requires the trust level of the target service to be not to be less than 1, and in the case where it's less than 1, it should not contain a credit card number. And in this case, we are looking for credit card numbers of type Visa or MasterCard. We are given these regular expressions. Now going back to our scenario, we have enabled this interaction authorization policy and we make another request. And the response from the travel agents is forbidden. And the connection from the travel agent to car rental, which it attempts first, is broken. That shows how our interaction authorization module prevented the travel agent from even making the very first connection, very first request to the car rental service.